Hi everybody, this is Michelle with Country Craft Creations and Creative Operation, and I just wanted to share with you my shopping haul that I got. I'm super excited. I can't wait to start playing with these things. So a couple of these things I did get because I needed to restock, but then a couple things are brand new to me. So I did get a repositional Easy Runner tape refill. These things are amazing for putting things down temporarily and then, you know, being able to kind of see what colors work well together, what pattern papers you want where and all that, and then being able to take them off, move them around, do all that kind of stuff. And so I did get one of those refills, which I really like. These are available from Country Craft Creations. There is a permanent one available too. I do love me some magnets, so I did pick up some more magnets. So I did get that. I got this very cute stamp die by Sizzix that I am going to be playing with. I've seen some other folks play with these and do some really fun things with them, and I finally decided, you know, I've been looking at it for a long time. I really want it, so I'm going to be playing with that. I'm super excited to be doing that. So I'll be back with tutorials on that. Now, this, I didn't even take the paper off of it yet because I just got so excited I had to show you. But this is an L-shaped spacer, and I'll take some of this off for you so you can see. You guys, if you've seen my videos and stuff, I love the spacers that we have for Country Craft Creations, and for making covers, they're amazing. I do have the 1 inch and the 1.5 inch, and we use those for our covers and for our spines, especially for marking down where to put our chipboard. So if you've seen that, this is a new one here that has the inch and the 1.5 inch all together, so you only have to use one instead of two. So like I said, I was so excited I didn't even take the paper off, which is really fun, and it's going to be really nice. So I did pick that up because I do want to play with that. And let me see. Yeah, I'm going to take... Good gravy. I should have done this before I did the video, right? But like I said, I was excited. So I have this. I do have one, and they have this available in the store too, that's 1 inch by 1 inch, and this is great for the covers. So now I have like the full complement of all of the sets that they have available. They also have spacers that are in packs that have 1/2 inch, 3/8, and 1/4 inch. So yeah, now my set is completely complete, and I'm really happy about that. So that's going to make making my covers and stuff even easier than they were already. I also picked up these great sets, and these are exclusively at Country Craft Creations. You can't get them anywhere else. There's 2 different sizes here, and what these are, they are called Embellishment Templates. And what you do with these is you set them down like on your card. So like, for example, this one measures, this is 4.5 total. And again, I haven't even taken the plastic off these yet, by 5 3/4. But you put them down on your card, and then you have a template where you can add stickers, embellishments, dots, sequins, whatever, in a enclosed space, so that you can have like this border kind of template area. And this is going to be really fun. So it has like the square shape, there's a heart, there's a circle, and then also in this set it has a little ring, so you can keep them all together. You have the insides too, so you have the star, the circle, there's a little star shape here, there's a heart, a little square. So you have all the parts and pieces, and then you can use these, you can trace around them, cut them out, whatever you want to do. So that's set number 1, and then set number 2 is right here. And let's open that up and kind of look at it. I'm really excited to be playing with these. I think these are going to be fun. It'll help me use up a lot of stickers and embellishments and things. So these are just a different size. These measure the complete size, 5.5 by 5.5. And you have, again, a square, and there's a heart, there's a circle, here's another square. I mean, I love this. I just love this. Hearts and stars and all that. So I'm just really I'm really excited to be able to use that. These can be used for so many different things. Tracing, so you can cut things out, you know, drawing circles on your papers, all kinds of different stuff. And then I did get the white Artisan cardstock because I was running low on that. I needed that. And then this is new. This is new. This is called Banana Split, and it comes in a 10 pack, so 10 papers per pack. And I bought 2 of them because, you know, I had to. And it is a gorgeous yellow. And then I was thinking, because that's what I do, I just finished a tutorial on my maze book, and when I saw this in the store, I had to buy it because I thought the yellows matched perfectly. So for my next project, I'm going to be using the pink peony and the summer ivory, like I did in this one, but I'm going to add the banana split too, and I think it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. So go to Country Craft Creations and go grab some toys, and then I'm going to start playing with these things, and I'll come back and I'll show you what I've come up with. So thanks for watching my haul video, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.